Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll pack my office bag. Now, if you follow me for a while, you would know every 2 to 3 months I like to change my bag. I most of the time use the bags that I already have, and you all know that. Most of them are from Zouk, like this one. This is their office statement bag. I also have their regular office bag. I prefer office bags because I have to carry a big laptop everywhere that I go. So definitely I need something that is sturdy. This one specifically from Zouk is so good because first of all, it's got a huge compartment for your laptop and this water bottle sleeve so that it can segregate your water bottle separately, because everybody carries a 1 liter bottle and it gets so difficult to manage it in your bag. And I love to carry tote bags. On the side also, it's got chains now, which weren't there earlier, so that's great. In case if you're interested in buying Zouk products, you can use my code YTHimaniShah12 to get an additional 12% off. I'll leave the links below. Now let's start packing this bag. The reason why I keep changing my bags every 2 to 3 months is because it's just a nice refreshment. It's something that you're carrying with yourself every single day and it gets too much monotonous. So yeah, it's a good change, and plus I don't know why I love handbags in general. So I have a MacBook Pro which is quite big, and you can see it easily fits in here. So if you have a slightly bigger laptop as well, it will fit in because the space provided is so good. I always ensure to carry a tote bag which has got a laptop compartment. Then I'm adding the Solara water bottle that I recently purchased, and I'm using the water bottle compartment as you can see, and there is so much space left. Otherwise usually there'll be hardly some or the other space left. Now let's start one by one. So first we've got is the laptop charger, of course, that I'll be putting in the side. Now these are just basic things that I'm adding. If I do like a what's in my bag video, that'll be definitely a bit different because I've used it. This is just before the organization, like I'm just organizing it. Then I've got the very famous emergency kit. I've made an updated video on this one. I'll link it below. This has to be, and this is very useful, guys. Okay, I have used it. I have, like, my colleagues are also finding it so useful because I have everything in my emergency kit. Next is a mini planner. This one is from Neora. It is their half-yearly planner, and you get 2 diaries which you can replace after the year. And I've been using it. It's great to carry with you, and plus it fits in the bag so properly. I love this purple color. I'll leave links for all of this in the description box below, so do check it out. Now after this comes a wallet, of course. This wallet is from Miniso. It's got compartments where I can easily store in my cash envelopes. If you guys didn't know, I have a budget channel. I'll link it below. Also, Miniso reminds me, I'm looking out for some chic bags, like bags that I can use for casual wear and not work. So let me know if you know any brands I would love to purchase, because I feel like I have a lot of work bags now. Now after adding so many things, this still looks so much more organized, and there's a lot of room left, guys. Just wait for it. Now this is again something that I'd purchased from Miniso, and it's got all random things but useful things. I've got a small Bounty chocolate. I've got coffee sachets, green tea sachets, because in case if I want to have coffee at workplace. So that's great. This is a very useful utility sort of a pouch which has got all of these sachets, like ketchup sachets and all of that. Now after that comes a perfume. This one is the Plum's Body Loving Vanilla Vibes. I'm about to finish it. Let me know any miniature perfumes that you would like to recommend, because I use perfumes quite a lot. This is my favorite product as of now. This is the Dermaco sunscreen powder. I use it for touch-ups like every now and then. Love it. It's always there in my bag. Like summer season, this is a must-have. Then I've got is this Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. Again, beautiful tint. You'll always see me with rosy cheeks thanks to all of these tints that I use. This is a sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. It's in the variant Gingham. Love it. I've used it quite a lot. Then this is the lip balm that I'm carrying as of now. This one is from Fay Beauty Soda Pop. I love it. It smells so delicious. Then I've got this mini tissue sachet. This one is from Miniso again. And I have one in my emergency kit as well, and one here on the sides as well, because you can never have enough of tissues. Then I've got a few fresh mints. This one is the Impact Mints in blackcurrant. Love it. Slightly expensive, I think 130 rupees, but very nice. I always have mints with me. Then I've got this mint strips. I'll leave this one as well. A lot of y'all liked it and mentioned it in a couple of my videos. Then I've got a pen. This is a cute bear pen. I'm carrying a planner, so of course I need a pen to write in. After that, we have scrunchie. This one is a satin scrunchie. I don't know from where I've got it, but yeah, it's just a satin scrunchie. And yes, all of this is fitting in the bag and you won't even realize it. Then I've got my identity card for the work, and it's also got my business card in it. So both of them I've just like put in together so it saves space. So that goes in. This is probably the best thing. You guys really need it. It's a cutlery box. It's got chopsticks, fork and spoon that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave it below. I use it so much during the working hours, like at office, because sometimes there are some festivities that happen and there's some food items. This is the best purchase that I've made and so useful. I've used it thoroughly, especially the chopsticks. You might feel that the chopsticks I've not, but I have, and I kept it in the zipper which was there inside the bag, so it's separated. Then of course I've got my earbuds. These ones are from OnePlus. Again, these are affordable. They perform equally well like the AirPods one, so I'll leave this as well. I mean I don't have the budget to buy AirPods so I ended up buying this OnePlus one, but they are quite effective. Then of course we've got our hair clutcher. Now this, okay, I don't know why, but I always end up putting it on the straps, the hand straps, because it's more convenient, and I keep on taking it out from there because I tie my hair most of the time. So yeah, this completes in. Now on the back end, I'm saying on the back side of the bag, there is a little zipper, and there it's so convenient to keep your phone. Earlier Zook didn't have this, but now they do, so that's great. So I'll be keeping my phone. I carry 2 phones, so I'll be keeping my work phone over there, so it's easier for me to grab it and I don't have to keep on opening my entire bag to take it out. So it's very much convenient. Now this completes my work bag. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. I honestly feel that this time my bag is so much more organized than how it is usually. I mean, it's something that you'll be using regularly, so you definitely want it to be organized, and I feel like this is much more spacious. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I hope you all found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Of course, this is not everything that I would carry. It'll keep on updating once and when I start using it, and there'll be like few things like, let's say, a lunchbox or something, and there is quite enough space for that. So I'm like really happy for that it's quite spacious. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.